Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I want to talk about how to start your online business and make money from e-commerce website, dropshipping and affiliate marketing in 2022. Reason you should start an online business. You may be wondering why start an online business in the first place. Why go not with brick and mortar? One is still because starting an online business has several advantages. Here are the three main causes. It is fairly expensive to start. A lot of want to start a business but the retarded by the investment required. Get out on the ground you have to pay release, purchase inventory or budget. Number two, major potential and growth. And for example, what is dropshipping? Start in e-commerce store. E-commerce has been around nearly for decades. Never a better time to launch an online store than now. According to the Future Retail 2019 report, a third of US consumers, 32% now receive one or more Amazon packages per week. Get into dropshipping. Dropshipping is an online fulfillment method that allows you sell physical goods without keeping inventory yourself. Here is how it works. The customer orders products on your e-commerce website. You forward the order to the manufacturer. The manufacturer then ships the product directly to the customer. Dropshipping is an attractive option for those who want to get into e-commerce without assuming the financial risk that comes with carrying an inventory. So, no wonder that the dropshipping market is growing. The revenue forecast for the year 2025. Number 3. Become an affiliate. Affiliate marketing worth considering. If you want to start online business but are not interested in creating your own products, it is a popular way to make money online. According to the annual affiliate marketing spending by brand is estimated $12 billion. The figure is expected to grow your 10% in your day. Hope you like our video. Please subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon button. You never miss any update from our channel.